Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. Today we are diving deeper into one of the most exciting parts of C++, that is string methods. We will explore how to find the length of a string, check if it is empty, access characters using indexing, and even extract substrings like a pro. If you have ever wondered how to manipulate text easily in C++, this video is gonna make it crystal clear for you. So grab your compiler and let's get started.
Let's start with string length. There are two methods to find the length of a string in C++. The functions that we can use to find the string length are length or size. Both length or size methods are used to find the number of characters in a string. They work exactly the same way. You can use either of them to find the string length. Its syntax is string variable dot length semicolon, or if you are using the size method, then you will write string variable dot size and semicolon. Then empty checks. So this method is used to check if a string is empty or has 0 characters. It returns true if the string is empty, otherwise returns a false value. Its syntax is string variable dot empty and semicolon. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see an example of a code that can be used to find string length and perform empty checks using the C++ coding language. The program objective is quote length and empty check. Here is the expected output. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Length of quote 47, size of quote 47. Is the string empty? Question mark and 0. Coming to the code, hash include iostream, then using namespace std semicolon int main. Then inside main function, string quote is equal to, then in double inverted commas, the secret of getting ahead is getting started, full stop and semicolon. Then cout, then the value of variable quote, which is this statement, it will be printed in the output, and then endl to shift the cursor in a new line, semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas length of quote colon, then quote dot length endl semicolon. So here quote dot length, it will find the length of this string which is given in the double inverted commas as the value of quote. Then again cout in double inverted commas size of quote colon, then quote dot size. So as I told you, size and length, these two functions perform exactly the same operation. So it will also give the same output, because here also we are trying to find length of string that is stored in the variable quote. Again endl and semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas, is the string empty? Question mark. Then quote dot empty. So here if the string quote is empty, that means it has no characters, then the returned value will be true. Otherwise it will be false. If it is true, then in the output you will see 1 printed. But if it is false, then you will see 0 printed in the output. Return 0 then, semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Length of quote is 47, size of quote 47. So these two functions work exactly in the same way. That is why their outputs are also same. Then is the string empty? Question mark and 0. This is how we perform empty checks and find out length of string in C++. Assessing characters in strings by indexing. So just like arrays, C++ strings are 0 indexed, which means the first character is always indexed at 0. We can access each character in a string using indexing with square brackets. Syntax is string variable, and then in square bracket we put the index number and then semicolon. Let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how do we access characters in string by indexing. The program objective is full name initials using indexing. And the expected output is full name Sarah Abbott, then first letter of first name :S, first letter of last name :E. Let's go to the code. Hash include IOStream using namespace std then int main. String full name is equal to, in double inverted commas, Sarah Abbott and semicolon. Then char first initial is equal to full name, then in square bracket 0 and semicolon. So I have told you that whenever we are storing a string in a variable, the first character will be stored at index number 0. The index number never start with 1 like 1, 2, 3, 4. They start with 0 like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, since we have written full name and then 0, so at 0th place, what is stored here? S. The first character is indexed at 0. So S will be stored in the character first initial. Then char last initial is equal to full name and then 5. So what is at the fifth position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So E will be stored in the character type variable last initial. Then cout full name, the value of variable full name, which is Sarah Abbott, will be printed endl semicolon, then cout first letter of first name : then the value of first initial, which we have calculated to be S here, will be printed endl cout then first letter of last name : where it will print the value of variable last name, which we calculated to be E. Then endl semicolon returns 0 and the main function ends here. Now let's submit and see the output. Full name Sarah Abbott, first letter of first name S, first letter of last name E. Substring extraction in C++ strings. So C++ provides a built-in method that is substr, substring short form, to extract a part of string or a substring. So this method returns a new string starting from a specified index and continues for a specified number of characters. If you see the syntax, string variable dot substr, so inside the braces we have written start index comma length. That means till how many characters you want to extract the substring, and semicolon. Let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how to extract a substring in C++. The program objective is substring extraction in C++. The expected output is extracted word :London. Okay, so here hash include IOStream using namespace std semicolon, then int main, inside main, string sentence is equal to, in double inverted commas, welcome to London and semicolon. Then string city is equal to sentence dot substr and then 11,6 bracket close and semicolon. So now we have introduced another variable called city, and it will help us in extracting a part of the string sentence. So here substr, this method we have used. So we have written 11, that means it will start extracting from the 11th character. Then 6, so that means it will total extract 6 characters starting from the one indexed at 11th position. Then cout, in double inverted commas, extracted word and then city. So the value of the variable city, that is the extracted substring, will be printed endl semicolon, then returns 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Extracted word :London. So here London, it is starting from the 11th index point, and since we are supposed to extract total 6 characters, so LONDON, 6 characters are extracted here.
And that's a wrap on today's session about string methods in C++. You just learned how to measure, inspect and slice strings like a pro, which are some of the most essential tools for working with text in any given program. Do not forget to practice using these concepts on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.